Hello YouTube, Matt Small Engines here. So, I'm doing a yearly tune-up on these engines here. So Briggs & Stratton 13.5 horsepower, sharp lawn tractor. And I just took out the spark plug, and that's what I'm looking at. Now, it doesn't look too bad to me, but I would like some help, because I don't know if that is, good or not. Haven't checked if it has a spark yet because this doesn't have a battery in it. So there's that. Also, guys, this. So this is a lawnmower blade, the 11/16 bolt. The problem is, well, I don't have an impact gun, so I'm gonna have to do it by hand, but that's okay. It's hard to see, but that blade is so rounded over. Honestly, I think it's time for a new one. And it's so dirty, yeah. So that's another. And then we got the snowblower here. This thing seems fine. It probably is. But check it for fun anyway, because, whoa, oil in it. Why is there no oil in it? Oh, that's not good. It might be drained because of, come on, there's gas in it. Well, I think it's okay for now, but other than oil situation, sorry guys, I'm using my, what the heck's going on here? Oh, it's one of these. Have to thread in properly. There we go. So yeah, this is what I'm working on. Also, that chainsaw right there, it does run, so that's fine. And then, guys, we have this. This is an Echo weed eater. The problem is that it starts but don't run. It doesn't stay running. And I know what it is. It's a carburetor. It's a bad carb. Hopefully, I can show you what it does. I don't know if I can actually. Yeah, I don't know. But anyway, it's not the funnest. It runs, but it doesn't. Try to lead you guys some. Oh, that works. So I'm gonna try to run it, and you guys are gonna hear it. See? It runs, it spins, but then it dies. Which is a problem. So, my question is, what do I do? So guys, that's what happens with that. So, here to run. It's a bad carburetor. I already know. Air filter, probably. It's a little bit nasty. It's not the best. Here, I'll show you guys. See, it's not the best. But anyway, so yeah, guys, these are my projects right now. What I've been working on, right now. She had that chance to run, so I don't have to worry about that. So, yeah, guys, this is just my tune-ups for small engines. I'll show myself. So yeah, guys, yeah, if you have any tips, then be great. If you don't, that's fine. And see you guys in the next one. Matt Small Engines, out.